a farm bill that was passed years ago, and it legalized, the production of hemp and hemp-based products. So the way the farm bill reads is any product that contains below 0.3% THC is legal. So there are, a couple of states that have some more regulations with it, but overall, no, you can buy it across state lines. You can travel with it. That farm bill has really opened up the opportunity for a lot of people to access, these different plant-based medicines.